Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download an entire website and save it offline for your use. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just open your browser and head to the website called HTTrack. Simply download the Windows version. Click on the download section right here. Then choose the download option for Windows and wait a few seconds. Just install the application like you would any other. Once it's downloaded, open the website you want to save. Then open the application. Click Next, then name your project, like Test. Choose your output folder. For example, I've created a folder named 123. Choose it. Then hit OK and click Next. Go back to the website you want to download. Copy the link from the browser's URL bar and paste it in. Click Next. No changes needed, just click Finish. Now it will start downloading all the website's data. You can check your output folder to see it. Depending on the website's size, it could take a few minutes or even a few hours. Just be patient and wait for it to finish. When it completes, you'll get a message. Click Finish and close the application. Now, open the folder you made. You should see the project folder. Open it, and you'll find all the website data downloaded. Scroll down to find index.html. Right-click and open it with your browser. The browser will load the entire website, including clickable links, directly from your computer. If you open an article, it should load locally without internet. As you can see, you're getting the file straight from your desktop. HTTrack has downloaded the full site. But, I should mention, don't use this to scrape or clone sites you don't own. Only use it for public, educational, or personal purposes. Sites with logins, heavy JavaScript, or database-driven content may not fully download. All of this is for educational purposes. That's it. Now you've learned how to download any website as a fully offline copy in just a few clicks. Perfect for backups, offline browsing, or research. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.